DAC Centrifugal Compressor, based on technological innovation and driven by customer needs. DAC provides comprehensive solutions for industrial gas systems. The whole machine adopts a modular design, featuring a compact structure, energy efficiency, reduced assembly requirements, and easy installation. The main unit employs a horizontally split structure, allowing maintenance by simply removing the gear cover. It utilizes semi-open ternary flow backward curved impellers, made from aerospace-grade titanium alloy or stainless steel, milled as a single piece, with each impeller undergoing a 115% overspeed test and an unbalance of less than 0.5 milligrams. By applying advanced aerodynamic principles, combined with efficient modeling software and CFD simulations, it ensures optimal interstage compression ratio distribution and stable reliability. Finite element analysis software is used to conduct strength analysis on the impellers, simulating stress and deformation under design conditions, ensuring stability and energy efficiency across various operating conditions. The gear precision meets a GM A-Class 13, ensuring high efficiency, reliable and smooth gear engagement and transmission. The use of precision, manufactured tilting pad sliding bearings with strong load capacity, ensures stable operation under various harsh conditions. DAC Centrifugal Compressor, designed in accordance with international standards, such as a PI and ASME. DAC high-energy efficient air compressor station design can be tailored to customer operating conditions and gas usage characteristics. It flexibly adopts personalized configurations, combining centrifugal and screw compressors, utilizing IoT technology to enhance station operation and maintenance efficiency for greater energy savings. DAC Centrifugal Compressor, with its modular design, non-standard customization capabilities, and intelligent control systems, provides customers with comprehensive, industrial gas solutions. DAC, a global provider of high-end equipment systems,